fish on. Yeah, take down. Go, 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 go!
Let me dance my motor.
Big boy. Get him up, get him up!
Oh, nice coho. I'll keep that rod tip up. Chromer.
Let's freaking go, dude.
You can take a step back this way.
Yes, Tom did.
Yes, Mark.
Try to keep him out that way. Just kind of follow it. He does. And then just kind of lift him, wheel down and lift, wheel gently. Go again. Just wheel down once and then lift again.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Big boy.
Now, yeah, that's
Damn. Dude, what up? Nice one. My God. It's a hog.
That's a giant fucking fish.
My God. My man. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Nice. Go for it. No one really ever pulls plugs here, huh? I've never seen anybody doing it. Maybe a couple of times.
It works. There it is. There it is.
Yep. Todd.
No, hang on. Let's let it get back. You there?
Yeah. Hey!
Here we go. Come up right here. We can fly it. Look at them all jumping.
Get him, Todd!
chum.
Yeah, that's a big one.
Dang.
Look at that thing. That's a big one.
Holy smokes.
Yeah, look at that thing.
Dude, he's a monster. Hell yeah, bro.
Wow. You don't want to touch this thing.
Dude, he's big.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
That was a big old chum.
There's got to be some chromers back in there, Ev, huh?
First one was pretty cool.
Yeah.
Mark. You're up. That one. dead weight.
Hey,
There are like some like 25-pound like chunks that are like this wide in here.
Freaking halibut, dude.
They're big. I mean,
I
they're
know.
going to talk about. They're monsters.
give it up a little bit here.
Okay.
I don't know. I don't know.
Just jump all down this.
Yeah. There's got to be some bright ones in there.
That first one was pretty
You
cool.
sure?
I caught, like the only reason I saw it was like I caught the reflection, you know, like. Yeah, look at that.
Here, bring him over to this side. See if we can get him. He's got to be getting close by now. How many feet you got on your counter?
11, 10.
Yep, he's right there.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Dang.
Bastard. Get over here.
Let me get where you are.
All right.
Let's get in between you and him. Here. Wherever you feel like you can give me a. Yeah, that's a. Go over that way. Sweet.
Freaking.
That's a 20 pounder. Let's go. Let's need to stay in between you. Let's go over there. Take a step like towards Jason.
This guy.
Look at that thing.
This fucking guy.
Whoa, bro.
Get the fuck over here.
Sheesh.
Oh,
Dude, what? No way.
Look at that thing.
No way, dude. Gigantic.
Yeah, that's fat.
man, he's awesome.
Oh my god, dude. Dang.
That was cool. That was a thick stick.
Yeah. Yuck.
Got my workout in.
Whoa. Whoa.
Todd. Want this one? Take it, Todd.
Dude. Stop. How many feet of line does this thing have, dude? Because it's. Dude, this thing's a monster. Chumtown, dude.
Jumptown.
Chumtown, dude. What the hell?
Jumping right in front of him.
Is that more jumping?
Yeah.
Hog. Oh my God. He's wrapped it. Yeah. He got hooked and then now he's wrapped perfectly. See that? You might be able to get him off right there, Ev.
Just like that.
Maybe. Hold on. Vicious, bro. Got him. Dang. There you go. Boom. Pull straight up. There you go. Cromer, bro. It's a monster, bro. Reeling that thing like a tuna. I know.
Back. You have to go chase. He's coming.
Okay.
You bet. He's sweet. You bet.
Cue the metal, Ev.
World record.
World record.
State record. Super Lake King or something.
I don't know, dude. Yeah, he might have a Chinook, brother.
Sturgeon?
I don't know. It's a big ass fish, dude. It's holding in the current strong.
Titan drag down, too.
Dang, that might be a king ball. No, it's a chummer.
Giant.
Dude. Ev, take him. He's
See if I can get him on.
You don't need to do arms today, huh?
No.
Go out.
I had the 20
It's like they're so big, they don't really use a lot of energy. They're just holding in the current. It's like you're fighting the current. Dude, it's a monster, brother. Sorry.
Yeah, hang on.
Yep.
Come over this way. That is a tank.
Dude, my arm. Shit, guys.
That is a tank.
Oh, that might be the biggest tippet.
They smell your shit like
Dude, that's yeah. Look at that. That's probably like that's over 20. I mean, so
Lunker.
yeah, he's hooked like he's hooked. He's got both hooks.
Crazy. Wasn't coming off.
Yeah, you want me to pick him up?
Yeah, sure.
Bart, get in there. Got him?
Holy smoke.
There we go.
Smile. All right. Whoa, let me go. Shoot him in. Yep, you're on.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
He's off.
Look at that. Oh, look at that. All right, perfect. I think some of those have barbless hooks on them.
Ev, hold him up.
I don't know.
Hold him. Okay, never mind.
I'm afraid of them.
Ancient infections.